a task like you're sending an email inside the Power Apps. Is anyone practice yesterday class?
Yeah, bro, I have tried, bro, but I got some error, bro.
What error you are getting after?
Bro, that after selecting that email option only I'm not getting. In
Have you
starting,
connected Office 365 Outlook connector to your Canvas?
yeah, connected, bro. Even though it's not came. I have tried 2-3 times, but
Can you
that
share
option
your
only.
show me?
Yeah. Mhm.
Mhm. Which okay it came na send an email video it is coming. After that, what value you are giving?
That
That
selected one.
it is coming na selected.
After that email, no, bro. Email it's not coming. It's showing value.
Which one you are selecting data card value? Which
Yeah,
column
yeah.
it is?
It is
Record.
required position, I think, bro.
Position it will not come. For position, we have the different values, right?
Okay. How to select data? I mean, this one
This
requirement
one.
only.
For this one, it will come the email.
Yeah, okay, bro. Got it.
Mm. You can give comma, then you can give subject.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Mm. Today, right, we will discuss about the deep linking method. I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to see? Hmm. I think you are able to see my screen.
Yes, bro.
Yesterday we discussed about what is meant by deep linking method. See, if you click on the particular item, if you want to navigate to the particular screen, or if you want to open the particular ID of your data, right, we can use this deep linking method. How to create the deep linking method, I will show you. I have shown you the yesterday example also. Suppose if whenever you create the item, right, in the mail itself, we will give that item link in the Outlook. Link we will give in that link. If that user, if he clicking on that particular link, that particular ID, it should open in my Canvas application. That form, it will be open in my Canvas. How to do it? Let me create. Here only I can give link on the Form system Outlook 365, data card value to text. Then instead of these values, right, I will give my app link here. Before that, right, we need to, let me create this one first. I will explain later. I have to keep my app ID here. For getting app ID, right, I will go back and make.powerapps.com. I need the app ID, my application app ID I need. From where I will get, in the from the settings I will get, this is my application, right? Click on details. Under details I can see my app ID. This is the link of my application. Copy this link and paste it in any notepad. This is my app ID. Take this one. After that, and you can go to your application. In the body section, right, I will remove this section, this part, and I will give here I will give my app ID here. See here, I have to give my app ID like this. After question mark or question, wait. This is my app ID. After app ID, I need to give, and that ID column I have to give. Then which ID if you want. I will go to my notepad. Give and symbol, and we have to give the that particular ID. I will give a recruitment ID. I will give, then copy the entire thing. Come to your Power Apps. In double quotes, you can paste. After, see, this is my app link. We will receive in the mail with this ID. We can receive. After this, what we need to give? We need to give, then our ID we need to give. After that, we have to give the equal to symbol, equal to give and symbol, where we have to store this ID in one variable. We need to store our form ID. My form ID I will store in one variable. I need one variable here. I will select my form. In the form on success, I will create one variable. Set variable I am creating, where recruitment ID, comma, form 1, my form 1 dot last submit. Then you can close. In this my variable, right, I was storing my form like last submit means whenever the last submit, that value I'm storing in my variable. I will copy this one, this variable name, or else directly we can give this form one dot last submit dot id only we can give in our here. Directly we can give form one dot last submit dot id, that particular id should I am giving. Then we can close, give, and okay, after this you need to give comma is there, need to give one more double quota. Now it is fine. With this app id, this app id is the constant, we have to give this app id is the constant. After that I have what I have given, and that id I have given equal to, in that id, right, we are giving the last form one dot last submit dot id, that particular id I was getting. Then closing, LC will receive this link in our mail. When you copy this link and if you open, right, it will open my last form, the form data it will be open. Before that, right, we need to create the one variable. We have to map the one variable. Let me, in app on start, right, I have to create, and also we need to give the start screen will be like form screen. By default the home screen it will be open now. Instead of opening home screen, right, I want this form screen. By default this form I want to open, I will give form screen by default. In the app on where it will be available, the start screen in the app on start, it will be in app, it will be available the start screen. Why I am using the start screen? Whenever we open the application, by default this screen it will be open, the form screen it will be open. Then in the app on start I have to create the some param function I need to create. Let me show you. This one I need to create, set to where ticket id lookup I need to map in the form items property, right. See, for this form, right, I have selected this form. This form by default which id if you want to open, we have to give the particular id in the items property we need to give. For the form it will be like we have item property. See here we have previously we given the gallery dot to selected by, from the gallery we are coming, right. Now from the link we are coming, in that link we have to give that particular id we have to give. For that, right, I will create the one variable. In that variable I will store that id. Like this I will create one variable. In that variable, right, I will store this my value. This variable, right, I will give in my form item property. I will give whenever we open that link, the screen it will be open. In that screen the form, that particular id only it will be open. Let me copy this, same code I will use. Go to here, now app on start, paste your variable. We are getting error, right? See, variable name I have given. After that lookup, using the lookup function I'm mapping, I'm getting the particular ID, single id only. Here after lookup we need to give our source name. I need to change my list name. I need to give my list name. What is my list? Recruitment tracker is my list name. Recruitment tracker. After that, id equal to value param method. See this one, right? From where we can get it? In the link. We have given the link, right? In the link we gave, right? Uh, this is the link. In the link we have to find this recruitment id. There I have to copy this one. Using the param method, right? We can find the value in the link. In that link, instead of this one, right? I will want to find that recruitment id. I will give that recruitment id. Id equal to value of param recruitment id. It will come. Now I will copy this my variable name. Then where I need to give in the form, I will select my form. In the form item property, we need to give this item. Item already selected. In this item property, I will give. Now we can save our application and publish it and create one record. We will receive the application link with the app ID we will receive. Now I will play my application. Power Apps. You can give your title. A recruiter, you can give your to whom you want to send. I will give my name. Phone screen date. What the details you can enter. Phone screen. Enter your names. I can give my name only. Now if I click on save, the data it will save. Parallelly, we will receive the mail notification also. Form1.last_submit.id. Okay, instead of here, right, we can give this send an email on success. We can give. I will copy this one. I will remove everything here. In unselect property, I will give only submit form. In the unsuccess, in the form we have unsuccess, right? In the unsuccess property, I will give whenever the form successfully submitted, that time the mail notification will receive. This variable I am not using. The navigation also I don't want. I will paste my that one whatever I have copied. This one also not required. I am removing. Only I have. I will give only send an email. Why I have given in the unsuccess, right? I have given the form1.last_submit.id. Whenever the form submitted, that time only the ID it will store here. That's why I have given in unsuccess property. Whenever the form is successfully submitted, that time the mail notification will receive. Now I will click on save. Whenever the form submitted, we will receive the mail with the link. Well, subject is invalid. Something is wrong. Subject is wrong. Subject is wrong. Why it is wrong? Let me try. I'm getting errors. Power apps. Application date. Okay. Why we are getting error, right? In these values, it will be like empty values we are have. That's the reason we are getting empty. Okay, instead of that dynamic values, right? I have to give the static values. In the on success, I have given, right? Whenever the form, it will be resetting the values. It is like empty here. That's the reason we are getting error. I will give the static values. I will give something dynamic deep link. Here also the mails also it will get error. Instead of this one, I will give the some static value. My email ID I will give. Nick123 on Microsoft.com. 123 dot on Microsoft.com. Now we'll check. Click on save. I think that item it is created. I will check the mail. See, I have received the mail with the link. See, now I will copy this link. This is the link I have given in my mail, right? This is the mail. I will copy this. ID equal to 11 we are getting. Paste that link. You can see. I think we didn't save. Okay. I need to save, publish. The form mode I have given new, right? I have to give edit. Item property I have given that variable only, correct? I have to check the item property variable name. Now save, publish. I have published link. Now refresh that URL. See here, that recent item only it is open. Now same link I will copy. I will open that link in my browser. That recent last item only it is opening. The power apps, my name only have selected it. That ID only it is opening by default in the view form. In the edit form it is opening. If you want in view form, you can change here. Your form mode will be like view mode. We can give default mode view. You can give by default whatever the item you create, right? That item it will be open in default mode only. Now I will create one more record itself. Let me show you. Latest new record I will create. Click on new. Give title will be like deep linking method, designer, progress, new application, recruiter name. You can give any names here, but that the dynamic only to my mail ID we will receive the mail. Date. Interview. Now click on save. I have received the mail after saving. See now it is changed the ID. Before like 11, right? Now the ID one more record it is created, right? That's why it is showing before 11. Now one more record it is created, right? This is the ID will be like 12. Copy the link and close this previous tab. Now open that link. It will be I think I didn't publish. I have to publish. I did the change, right? I have given the view more, right? Form will be like a view more. I need to save. I have saved my application now. If I do refresh the same ID, it will open the view only. Why it is now with the code it is updated. The title, deep linking method, new application, designer, automatic. The my name it is coming in the view form. If you wanted it, just click on it. The edit form it will be open. So why we will use this deep linking method, right? Particular ID, particular selected ID, if you want to open in our canvas, right? We can use this deep linking method. For creating this deep linking method, right? See, I have used the inside the Power Apps only. We can use the Power Automate also. The Power Automate, we will receive with the link we will receive this one, right? We can make it as the we will receive the entire URL will receive, right? Instead of URL we can make this as a link. How to make this link, right? We have to use the anchor tag. We need to use, if you want to make it as this URL as a link, we need to use the anchor tag. I will make it as anchor tag also. Instead of this link I will make it link. Before this link, right, we need to use the anchor tag. I will copy from here only, they use it here. See, like this I will get the link, it like link to open the ticket, like this link I will give. For that I need the anchor tag. I need to use the anchor tag href. Then close your anchor tag. Mhm. Anchor tag. Space. Where it is going. Okay. Space. A. Sorry, small a. Space. HREF. A equal to. We need to give A equal to HREF. Sorry, not A. After that, we need to do HREF equal to this one. After this, we can close your anchor tag. Then click here to open your
Close A tag one.
No,
Close A into close.
no, not that's what I have to close the anchor tag also.
That's what. Take that
We can
less
give
than slash A. So remove the greater than.
Please click here. Click here. You are getting error. We have to make it as this link as
On starting A, we need to give the right yeah, there. Greater than. Give greater than.
No, Upendra, I have to give inside this entire URL, right? In that anchor, first anchor only I need to give. I have closed this entire belongs to this one anchor tag. Then I need to give this link where I need to display. In this text, right? The link it will display. This is one anchor tag. After this anchor tag, I have closed here. This one I want to make it as dynamic. Expected operator, we expect on this operator such as anchor tag I have opened. After
I think
that,
we can give space pawn.
not space.
Mm.
We need to give something different. Form dot. I think the error is gone. Let me check if it is working. It's fine. See now the entire link, right? It will not come inside this in this text, right? It will come like this. Let me check. Let me save and publish. Save. click save. I have received the see here, instead of entire link, right, I have received the with the hyperlink. I can see here in the down, I can see id equal to 30. Now directly we can click on this link, it will open my application. Like this, right, we can make it as the link also, hyperlink. We can then we if we want to give the some information, right, we can give the information also inside our application. It is in the form also access the body. Now I have given only link only, right? If you want to give the body, right, we can give the whatever body for what we can give inside the body. Okay, see, this is the deep linking method. If you want to open the particular id in our canvas, right, we can use this deep linking method. What are the prerequisites it we need? We can use the Power Automate also. In the Power Automate also we can send this link. What are things, right? I have copied the first that app link, we need to copy. We can paste it somewhere. After that we need to give, and whatever the name you can give your reference. For your understanding, I have given the some recruitment id equal to that particular id we need to give. I used the form, right? I have taken the form one dot last submit dot id. That link, that id I am passing. This is the anchor tag. Okay, fine. First, after that, what I have done, I will go to the app on start. In the app on start, right, I have stored the that id value. By default, which in the form I need to give, right, which id if I want to open that particular id value I'm storing in this variable. Lookup recruitment tracker is equal to id is equal to this id. The id it will create in this in this list also, right? id equal to value of param of recruitment id, means this id. In this link I'm getting this id, both ids are matching. That id it will store in my this variable. This variable name I have copied, and in the form item property I have given that variable name. That id only it will open in my form. Whenever you create the latest id, that id it will open in my application. After that, start screen I have given the, in the app on start I have given the, by start screen I have given the form screen I have given. Why? By default I want to see the my this screen only, right? That's the reason I have given the form screen. You can practice in your own way also. If you need this url, right, I will share with you. In this url, right, they used the Power Automate instead of Power Apps. They used the Power Automate. In the Power Automate they are sending an email notification. You can try inside the Power Apps instead of Power Automate. I've shared that url also. Then we have to discuss the how to make the drop down as a checkbox. Let me discuss that one. The deep linking method understood, right? Do anyone have any doubts? Okay, practice on your side one more time. You will get an idea. Now one more task will be like how to make the this drop down as the checkbox. I will show you how to make it. Now I will expanding this one. Instead of this drop down, I want the some checkbox, right? For that, right, we need to take the some gallery. I have to take I will select this progress data card. I will go to the insert tab, right? I will add the gallery, my blank gallery. I will add some vertical gallery. I will add. Cut. Select your data card and paste inside the data card. Inside the data card, right, I was pasting my gallery. See this gallery, right, based on the scenarios we can use it. Now on which scenario I'm using, I want to make the drop down as the checkbox, right? That's the reason I'm using this. I have to take blank gallery, right? So I will remove. Select your data card again. In the insert progress I want to add. That's the reason I have selected progress. Insert, search for blank gallery. Blank vertical gallery I will take. Inside form it is inside the screen it is added. Cut it. Copy, select your data card and right click, paste. Inside a data card it is added. Minimize it. Now inside the gallery you can add your checkbox. You want to display like a checkbox, right? You can use the checkbox. Now I have added the checkbox inside my gallery. Inside gallery I have added text box. Then I can see vertical gallery now. Better you can take the horizontal gallery instead of vertical gallery. The vertically it is displaying the data instead of vertical gallery. I will take the horizontal. So the data, right, it is showing like this. In the vertical it is showing. I want to display like horizontally. I will take a horizontal gallery instead of vertical gallery. I have removed. Again you can search for gallery, blank horizontal gallery, take it. Again it is added in the screen. Cut and select progress data card, paste. Reduce the height. Then inside select your gallery. Inside gallery you can add your checkbox. It is added in the outside gallery. Again cut it. Select your gallery. Edit pencil icon. Right click. Paste. Now it is again it is added. Select your gallery. Click on pencil icon. Set checkbox. Now it is added inside gallery. Now I want to display the drop down values, right? What I will do, I will select that drop down, the data card value 3. In the items property we have this choices of dot progress, right? Same thing I will copy. I will keep in my gallery item property. We have some default value, right? Instead of this I will give my values I have given. In the items property I have given this. I will go to the checkbox. Now I will give here, I will remove this one, this item dot value. In the text property I have given the you can adjust your size. It will come all in like one line. We have the more values, and that's the reason. Adjust the sizes and all, it will come all the things. See here, now the checkbox it came. Now we can select instead of this drop down, right? I have make it as the some check boxes. I can see the all the items. What are the in the items drop down we have, right? I can see here also. We have to adjust, we have to do some alignment that it will come in the same line. Mm. Okay, we have to use the navigation step, template padding, border, navigation step, transition, tab, index. We can use the, instead of horizontal gallery, we can use the vertical gallery. We have the option wrap count. We can give the progress value. Means now, right, what we will, I will remove this drop down. I will use this one. I will align in this place, this checkbox. The values whatever you want to select, instead of this drop down, right, we can use this checkbox. Understood, right? Like how to make the drop down as will be like a checkbox. What in the data card, I have taken the gallery. In the gallery, again I have taken the some checkbox. Then what I have done in the gallery items property, I have given the choices of that column name I have given. Then in the checkbox proper, in the checkbox I text property, I have given the this item dot value. Means in the gallery I have given the progress, right, progress column. That column I can get into this checkbox. This item dot value it will come, means that in that column what are the values we have, that columns we will get it. Then I have I did this some alignment for the gallery. I have decreased the size and all. I have given the wrap count like 2. The items you can see in the 2 lines. Then we need to save the, instead of drop down, then I will select the information and I will select it. I will select this new application, and if I select it, the data it will save. If you want to save this, I need to do the some changes. I will tell you. Select your data card. In the update property, right, you can see now we can use this update property in this scenario. We have the which value we are updating, data card value 3 dot selected, means this value we are updating. Now we change it, right, we are not updating this data card value. Now we are updating this checkbox value, right. We need to give the that checkbox value now instead of this data card value. What I will do now, I will create a one collection. I will store that the value in my collection. That collection name, right, I will give in my update property. Now the value it will update, this checkbox value it will update. Now I will, where I will create the check collection, right, in the, we have selected the checkbox. For the checkbox, we have the properties like on check, on uncheck properties we have. On the on check, I will create my collection, give collection name, collection name. You can give call progress, you can give progress column name, collection progress, you can give fine. This is my collection name, comma, which one if you want to store, this item, the item I want to store, then you can close it. In this collection, right, this selected item it will store. On the uncheck also you can give whenever you do uncheck, right, that we can make it as empty. We can remove the collection also. Collection name is collect progress, comma, this item. Whenever you do the uncheck, right, the collection we can remove it. Now see, I have given the uncheck will be like collection progress, right. Now I will copy my collection name. I have copied. I will go to my data card, progress data card. In the update property, right, now I will give my collection name dot expected record value. You can give double quotes then square bracket you can give. This item dot progress. Okay, I have to collection, it is not created, that's the reason. Maybe now it is created the collection. You can give this item not progress only. We'll check the data it is saving or not. Sorry, not this one. I have selected this new application. Recruiter name. Fine. Now I will save title tree or the data. I think it is created. I will check in my gallery it is created or not. No, it is not saving. See here, it is updating the empty value only. We need to check this one. I will go here again. Instead of variable, I will create. I will go to checkbox. Semicolon set where progress. Where per progress, comma, this item dot value. Okay, now I will copy this variable name. I will go to the here. I will paste dot. We have to give into gallery for dot. Let me check now. Paste. I'm selected on hold. See, now it is updating what I have given in the update property. The gallery for dot selected means in the gallery which item you selected, right? That item it will be updating. That collection variables it's not required. Directly we can use the in the update property gallery for dot selected. Understood, right? How to make the that drop down will be like a checkbox where inside the data card I have selected the gallery. Inside the gallery I have added the checkbox. The gallery items property I have given the column name, the choices of dot progress I have given. Then in the checkbox item tag in the default property in the text property I have given this item dot value. The values it will come. And I did this some alignment I have done. Then I need to change the update property. Before it will like a data card value dot selected it is there. Instead of that I have given the gallery for dot selected. In the gallery what items you selected, that items will update it. This is the like making the drop down will be like checkbox, creating the checkbox. That's it from my side. Anyone have any doubts? Hello.
No, bro.
Yes, bro.
Okay, fine. Okay, we can wind up the class and we can connect tomorrow and practice these things like deep linking method and how to make the check, how to create the checkbox also inside the form. Try to practice it. Tomorrow I will ask you. Hmm.